If you've ever wished that you could have your own personal fan slash air conditioner to help keep you cool, well, now you can. Keep watching to find out everything there is to know about this evaporative fan cooler from Jessup. Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this awesome little fan slash evaporative air cooler from a company called Jessup. This guy is awesome. It's one of those products that once you've used it, you're kind of like, oh man, why didn't I think of that? Because this is a great idea. This is a personal fan with 3 speeds, 3 levels of fan speed, as well as an evaporative cooler that has 3 levels of cooling. And how does that work? Well, this part up here, as you can probably kind of tell, this is a water tank. So you fill this with water, and if you want to make it even cooler, you can even put ice in there to make the water really cool. And then this thing takes that water and turns it into an evaporative mist that comes out with the airflow of the fan. Now you have 3 levels of that along with the 3 levels of the fan so that you can get exactly what you want and the way you want it. It also has oscillation, 45 degrees of oscillation, so you turn that on and this thing will swing back and forth, as well as this knob over here controls the blades, so you can have the blades have the air blowing more up or level, however you want it, whatever's going to work best for your situation. So really everything is covered. Now in the box you get the fan cooler itself. It does have this nice handle on the top to make it easily portable and so you can carry it anywhere you want. You also get a USB Type-C cord to power it. It does not include the power supply, so you will need to plug the other end of that, the USB into your own power brick or power supply to power it. But once you do that, it's great. You can go all night long. If it runs out of water, it will automatically turn off the evaporative cooling but keep the fan going, so that's great. It does also have this little catch tray down here on the bottom that pulls out, and that's so as it's using the water, if there's any condensation on the fan blades or anything, it will not end up on your table or on your floor. It'll end up in the tray down here, and then you can just empty that out. So really they have everything covered. It's a very simple, at the same time advanced product because of all those features it has. Again, you've got the 3 levels of speed for the wind. You've got the 3 levels of evaporative mist cooling to help keep the air nice and cool. You've also got the oscillation, which you can turn on or off, 45 degrees of oscillation, and your power button to turn the whole thing on or off. Up here you've got your tank to fill with water, as well as ice if you want it really, really cool. And you've got your condensation capture down here at the bottom with your adjustable fan blades to point the air in the direction you want it to go. So a really excellent product if you're looking just for a small fan that also can help cool. Great for a small room or office or something like that, or take it outside with you if you're laying outside in the sun. You could use this to help keep you cool while you're doing that. Really awesome product. If you're looking for something like this is definitely a product that I would recommend.